Today we will show you how to set the satellite configuration for your Epix Gen 2, Phoenix 7, Mark Gen 2 Collection, or Tactics 7 Multisport Series watch. In this video, we will be using a Phoenix 7. Your watch offers multiple options for setting your preferences for satellite connectivity. The first option we will discuss is setting the default satellite configuration. This configuration will be applied to all your outdoor activities. First, press and hold the up button to open the settings menu. Press the down button to scroll and locate system. Press the start-stop button to select it. Scroll down and select Satellites. Here you can choose between having your satellite configuration set to off, GPS only, all systems, all plus multiband, auto select, and ultra track. Each one of these settings will offer different experiences by either connecting to a specific satellite constellation or offering different periods of time when a waypoint is recorded. The off setting disables satellite systems for the activity. Selecting GPS only enables the GPS satellite system. All systems enable multiple satellite systems. Using multiple satellite systems together offers increased performance in challenging environments and faster position acquisition than using GPS only. However, using multiple systems can reduce battery life more quickly than using GPS only. Selecting all plus multiband enables multiple satellite systems on multiple frequency bands. This allows for more consistent track logs, improved positioning, improved multipath errors, and fewer atmospheric errors when using the watch in challenging environments. Auto Select enables the watch to use SatIQ technology to dynamically select the best multiband system based on your environment. The Auto Select setting offers the best positioning accuracy while still prioritizing battery life. Selecting Ultra Track records track points and sensor data less frequently. Enabling the Ultra Track feature increases battery life, but decreases the quality of recorded activities. You should use the Ultra Track feature for activities that demand longer battery life and require less frequent sensor data. When setting the default satellite configuration, your watch will use the same configuration for all outdoor activities. Press the Start-Stop button to select your preferred default satellite configuration. Once complete, cover the watch with your palm to return to the watch face. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.